What up, my peeps? Back, blazed, and ready for another installment. Cannabis Infused French Toast. Let's go. Here are the ingredients. I'll be sure to make a video for the can of cream. First, we're going to slice the strawberries. We want to get them thin, but not too thin. Watch your fingers. Into the bowl they go. Now the blackberries. I basically just cut these in half. Same bowl as the strawberries. Adding a quarter cup of sugar. Not too worried about how sweet it is because I'm not putting any syrup on this. Now let's give it a good mix. I really love putting this dish together. The berries remind me of springtime, and the vibrant colors are absolutely amazing. Not to mention the smell, just incredible. Now we need to add a little bit of water, about a quarter cup. And once again, we're gonna mix really well to get everything nice and incorporated. Next, we're going to stick this in the fridge so it can stay nice and cold. Let's whip together the batter. Let's add the eggs. Give it a good whisk and add the can of cream. Make sure you whisk everything together really well. Good. Now, let's add the cinnamon and the sugar. And let's slowly whisk in the can of oil. Once you get everything well mixed together, you're looking for something that looks like this. Now let's slice the bread. You really want day-old French bread. You want it old and crusty. You're really looking for a specific sound when you cut it. Something like this. Now once you get everything nice and sliced, let's get to cooking. Let's add some can of oil and a little bit of wax infused butter, but you can use regular butter at this point. Let's spread everything evenly around the pan. Then let's get the French toast dipped on both sides and into the pan. This on a medium heat, and you want to cook it on both sides until they're nice and golden brown, something like this. Once they're nice and golden brown on both sides, you can take them out of the pan. Now let's plate up. Grab the berries that you put away in the fridge, and let's lay a layer of French toast down on the plate. Let's put a nice helping of berries on top, with a little bit of the juice as well. Now place a nice fat dollop of whipped cream course, I had to make some fried eggs and bacon to go with my breakfast. It was fantastic. I encourage you guys to try this recipe. It is awesome and you will enjoy it.